Hello, and so I will be teaching you how to make a very basic jet in a Trailmakers. So, the first step you want to do, grab your cockpit. Should be this one right here, and the front should be facing like this. So the next thing you're gonna want to do is just kind of make a body real quick, roughly that size. And now you are going to want to add some thrust. So I like to personally use Dragon jets, but it's personal preference. Raw jets have a cooldown, Dragon jets increase maximum speed, and mini jets increase propulsion, or startup, or whatever it's called. So now that you have your basic propulsion down, I like to always add some form of spike at the end. It helps with like aerodynamics and like visuals and stuff. Just makes it look a lot cooler. And now you want to take your steering hinge and flip it. Doesn't really matter which orientation it is. Just know that S, or your downwards key, should always make it go upwards. It's really a preference, but in order to take off, it needs to go upwards. So that would be downwards, upwards. So that means we would need to make this W and this S. This W and this S. So now when we do it, now when we press S it goes up, and when we press W it goes down. That's just how most just like airplane games do it, so that's what I'm most used to. But if you want non-vertical controls, just reverse those. Now me personally, I like to have a bigger tail fin, so I would grab that and then grab the tail fin, just the standard tail fin. Then you're gonna want to copy and paste that on both ends. Just helps stabilize everything, helps with all that. Then you want to add 2 big elevator fins on the side, which is just standard aerodynamics. And then for the extra elevation, add an elevator tail. So now it should look somewhat like this when you take off. So if it's doing that, you've done it right. Now I like to have a little bit of bigger wings as well, but it really depends on the design I'm striving for with the whole whatever, you know what I mean, like the whole design of the plane. So we have a relatively small body here. On average, I have about 3 modular wings on each side. Modular wings is the wings, and so you want to attach an aileron at the end of the wings. This helps you turn. So when you see somebody roll like this way and then start turning, doing roundabouts, that's because of these ailerons, unless they have an older design of plane. So now that's practically the jet done. Like, that's the jet. As you can see, And then the ailerons gives you roll. Roll. Turns. So that's your jet. Right there.